Let me show you how you can create this kind of calendar which can keep track of your daily event using Microsoft Excel, similar to what you have in Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or any other calendar for the matter of fact. First thing you have to do is to calculate the first day of the calendar. We subtract the first day of that month and year from our drop-down list with the calculated date of Monday of the calendar week, which is going to denote by the number 3 right here. And after that, for the first week of the calendar, we're going to say equal B7 plus 1, and you can drag the formula right across. Make sure you format the last cell because it copied the format from its adjacent cell. Now for the subsequent week, you're going to say equal B7 plus 7 and hit enter and copy and paste the formula right across and all the way down to the very last week of the month here. Now copy and paste the format from the first week of the calendar to the rest of the calendar week like this. Now to format the date, select the whole calendar area like this, press Ctl+G, special, formula, and click on OK. That's going to select only the calendar dates. Now to format those dates to display a numeric day of the month, you're going to press Ctrl+1, number tab, select custom from category, and enter D in type and click on OK. Next, we'll change the font color of the numeric day of the month to be lighter gray if it's not part of the current month. Select the first 2 weeks on your calendar, then you go Home Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format, and you say equal day B7 greater than 20, which is going to impact any day of the month which is greater than 20. Then you go Format, Font tab, change the color to gray, and click on OK and OK. And now for the last 2 weeks of the month. Select the last 2 weeks like this on your calendar. Then you go Home Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format. And now to ensure that any day of the month that falls between day 1 to day 14 is colored in light gray, we use the AND function with the first condition being B15 greater than equal to 1 and B15 less than or equal to 14, which is going to impact only day 1 and 14 day of the month. Now click on Format, Font tab, and color it to gray and click on OK and OK. And finally, to populate the calendar with the event from the day of the month from our main dataset, we use a VLOOKUP function with the lookup value being the day of the month from B7 to H7, and the lookup table array would be our main dataset table. Press F4 to make both row and column fixed. We want column 2 from our main dataset table, which is called event, and we will fix false to get the exact match. Close parenthesis and hit enter, and we can see that the dates without event in our main dataset will return NA. To fix that, simply use the if error function with the if error value as blank. With that, copy and paste the same formula for all weeks of the month, and now the job is complete. Let me know if you have any question. Cheers!